Hey, what's good everyone, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. And today we have two new yellow boxes, or black and yellow boxes, because today we're talking about the Nikon Z6 II, and not necessarily talking about it, but I'm gonna show you a little bit of unboxing and my first impression on this camera. Disclaimer, I already opened it, but I didn't do much with it, so for me it's gonna be pretty much the same thing like I am opening it for the first time. So let's get to it. Alrighty then, so this is the Nikon Z6 II, and inside we have nothing much. I'm not doing unboxings on this channel, so excuse me for not having a camera. By the way, I don't have another camera. I'm shooting everything on my XE3 right now, and I have the watch right here because this camera only shoots 10 minutes in 4K, so we're gonna do it fast. So this is the unboxing, two books. They're both user manuals, but there's not much into it. I already looked into it, and we're gonna talk more about in the review that I'm gonna do about this camera. Also, this is the warranty with the serial number and everything else. Let's get inside. And inside we have the battery. This is the NEL I think 15C is the new battery for the Z6 II, and I think that the Z6 uses the NEL 15B or something like that. I think these batteries are interchangeable, but this one has a little bit more juice in it. We're gonna test that in the future, as well as the charger, all kinds of adapters that you can put in brackets that you can put and adapt to it depending on the part of the world that you're in. So this is the black and yellow Nikon strap that it looks very nice. I mean, it's probably gonna get dirty in like 5, maybe 6 hours of shooting, but I'm not gonna use it anyway. USB-C to USB cable inside. And now let's get to the camera. Actually, I heard that Nikon doesn't offer a charger in the box. Well, mine does have one. Maybe it was for the Z6, whatever. Too many numbers. And here is the camera. I'm gonna take this off. And let's get the camera. As you can tell, I repacked it because, like I said, I opened the camera. And this is the Nikon Z6 II or Z6 II, depending on what kind of language you're coming from. It's a beautiful camera. I do love it, and the grip and everything, the ergonomics are amazing. The design, it's beautiful. You have a lot of buttons right to your thumb right here. There are a few problems that I already encountered, and I'm gonna tell you all about it, but I do love the way this camera fits in hand. And for those of you who don't know, I dumped a few cameras because of this grip. Well, this one is the first one, and I'm talking about Sony, I'm talking about Fujifilm, I'm talking about Panasonic, and I'm talking about Canon. And obviously mirrorless, that actually fits in my hand. My pinky doesn't go anywhere, it's not right here. So you have a very solid grip. You also have two function buttons right here. You can let me see if I can focus on, yeah, there you go. So these two function buttons that are right here to your fingertips. You also have an F on button on the back. We're going to talk more about it in the review, but as a first impression, this camera fits amazing, and it does have a flip up screen, not a you know, flippy screen like all the way up or down. It only goes, but it goes a little bit more than you're expecting, and also goes down at 45 degrees. So it's well suited for all kinds of shooting, to be honest. And the cherry on top, look at this sensor. It looks like a medium format sensor comparing to Sony and comparing to Canon. I don't know, maybe Canon is the same, but this one is super big. It looks very, very big, and it's probably because the mount is bigger than the Sony, and I was pretty used with Sony. But I do love the way that it looks, and I think that it should perform. I only shoot a few photos with it, and I'm gonna put them on the screen just for you to see the colors and everything is straight out of the camera, JPEGs. And that is with the 6 II. Let's get to the next one, which is my favorite lens on pretty much all the systems. This is, the camera wants to focus, is the 35mm f1.8s. It's the native 35mm for Z mount, and This one is unopened. Inside we have the pouch, the warranty again, the warranty paper that it's very helpful, and we do have a book which is more like a pamphlet. It looks like a map. The Nikon is trying to tell me something. Yeah, maybe. And let's get inside. Oh, the two. Wow, look at this. There are two boxes inside. So let's start with the small one. Ah, this is definitely the lens hood. Why would you use that much? Nikon, come on, let's save nature. So this is the lens hood, and I presume in this one right here, okay, is the lens. That feels nice. It has a bit of a heft to it. It's not heavy, but it feels nice in hand, and it's so black. Look at this. It's like a matte black, beautiful look. We also have an auto focus and manual focus switch right here. Like I said, I'm shooting on the XE3, so sorry for the focus problems. Actually, it does very well. I'm very happy with the way it performs. Let's put the lens hood on and see how this feels, and maybe put it on the 6 II. I'm rushing it. We're at 8 minutes right now, with the cuts probably not, but so yeah, this is how it actually looks on the Z6 II. It feels so nice, like any other Nikon, and you know me, I love Nikon. I had a lot of Nikon cameras, and I was a Nikon shooter, and I was hoping that Nikon will come up with something like this, something that will give me more confidence to shoot these cameras professional, because they're amazing, their colors are good, hopefully in this mirrorless as well. And like I said, this is gonna be my professional camera, the camera that I hope is gonna bring me joy and is gonna bring me a lot of photos. I pretty much feel like I'm holding the XH1 in a, you know, different brand, but it does look nice. Maybe more buttons would be nice. I'm not sure how many I can customize, but we're gonna go through that for sure, and we're gonna decide what is good and what is bad. Nonetheless, this is my camera for 2021, everything professional that I'm gonna shoot. Thank you again for being here. Thank you for subscribing the channel. We're very close to 1,000 subscribers, and that makes me happy. Don't forget to press that subscribe button and also the notification bell next to it to always be notified when I'm putting videos up. And give these videos a thumbs up. That is how you support me and support the channel. Nothing else, just a thumbs up to you know, throw these videos on more people's screens and make this community bigger. Don't forget to stay focused, my friends, and I will definitely see you in a bit.